This technique begins on a PLEXIGEL enhancement that has a minimum of 1 cured layer of shaper or builder. Place a bead of PLEXIGEL color in soft blush at the cuticle area. Apply spiced taffy in the center of the nail, lightly blending it into the soft blush. Apply milky mauve at the extension edge, blending it into the spiced taffy. Do not cure and allow the colors to self-blend. Use an ombre brush to lightly feather and blend the colors together while perfecting the upper arch apex. Cure for 1 minute on button 2B. Remove top film. Refine and smooth the nail using a 180 grit file or buffer. Clean the nail. Finish with protector top coat. Cure on button 3. Clean the nail. Apply a drop of solar oil.